am Ellen and today we are going to configure Google Workspace for a custom domain. We will proceed with the SPF configuration. For that, navigate to the DNS zone of the domain. Let's detect our SPF record and add the inclusion of Google, which is the following. You can also find this in the configuration article in a written form and just copy paste it to your SPF record. By saving the changes, we are already done with the SPF configuration. Let's move forward with the DKIM. For that, in our admin account, we will go to Apps, Google Workspace and Gmail section. Here we will proceed with the authenticate email part. Let's choose the domain that we want to create a DKIM for and generate a record. So the suggested DKIM length is 2048 bits and I'm going to move forward with the selected name of Google. Alright, after generating the DKIM key, we have the following data. So we gotta create a TXT record with this host name and the value. Let's copy the data to our DNS zone. Perfect. Please note that it can take up to 72 hours for DNS propagation, so we will start the authentication now, and as Google's account is giving a hint, it may take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate. So we will wait for some time to see if the configuration is completed, and after that the emails going out from your Google account will be DMARC compliant with SPF and DKIM passing. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day.